New commander for the Presidential Guards Brigade, Brigadier General Aminu Umar, don't officially resume office. The former commander and the new commander come meet with President Buhari to yarn am the updates.
Where are you?
From the army headquarters.
What were you doing in the army headquarters?
I was the chief of staff to the chief of army staff, sir.
Chief to the chief. Okay, you are welcome.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to lead you through.
Major General Takuti Usman, who will be the former commander for the Presidential Guards Brigade and constitutes for 3 years, don't get transferred to Ibadan to be the general officer commanding for 2 divisions of the Nigerian Army.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your commitment.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. It's taking about 2 years.
This Presidential Guards Brigade, they're responsible to protect Oga Presido, protect Abuja, and still perform ceremonial duties. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC never your power. No say I'm giving the politician on election day.